Great news! Today is National Friendship Day, and that got us thinking here in electronic engineering. Do computers really like projectors? How well does mouse and keyboard get along? And what really is going on with pen and paper? Now, these may sound like silly questions, but actually our labs are full of equipment which when combined reveal more than they do alone. So, let's head inside the labs and take a look at a few examples. Here's a scanning electron microscope, which allows us to see things smaller than the wavelength of light. It's similar to a microscope, but instead of using light, it uses electrons. It's impressive and allows us to see things like this. But wait, the sample has to have a conductive surface, otherwise the image will be distorted. So, without this bit of kit, which uses a plasma to coat the sample in gold, we'd have no image. So a nice example of friendship amongst equipment. Next up is an electrical probe. Now this is used to make contact with nano-electronic devices and to do electrical measurements. All you have to do is lower the metal whisker down onto the sample. But that's not very easy when the sample is as wide as your fingernail is thick. Fortunately, the probes are always partnered with a microscope, making the job much easier. And finally, we have the spectrometer. Spectrometers split light into all their different wavelengths and tells you how much of each wavelength there is. Now that's fine if your light is well behaved and travelling along a single path, but when light reflects off a rough surface, it goes in all different directions. So how then do we shepherd that reflected light back into our spectrometer? Fortunately, we have our trusty friend, the integrating sphere. Inside of this sphere is a reflective surface that is designed to collect all the light that's reflected from your sample and redirect it into an optical fiber. The optical fiber then whisks that light back to the spectrometer. Another great example of friendship amongst lab equipment. So, there we go. Here in electronic engineering, we have all kinds of scientific equipment which rely on each other and work better together. A nice little reminder of the importance of friendships on National Friendship Day.